Assalamu alaikum student of class 10. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to show you the function of stroke and how to save a file in Photoshop program. So let's get started. The border of the selection can be made with the stroke command. Select the stroke command under the edit menu as the selection is floating. Here my selection is floating and I am going to edit menu and clicking on stroke. Now the stroke dialog box is appeared. Here, any number from 1 to 16 can be typed in stroke width box. The extension of the border is determined with this number. To create the border outside, inside, or at the middle of the selection, activate any of these three options by clicking the radio button attached with them. At first, I am clicking the inside button to activate the inside stroke, and here 10 point is typed in the width box and color is blue. Here border can be created either by using the color of the brush or of the foreground in the stroke process. Here you can also change the color by clicking there. If you click here, this color is selected and press OK to activate this color. Okay, now click OK to make the border or create the border inside the selection. Okay, now again go to the stroke option and click the center button to create the border at the center or middle of the selection, that is floating selection. Okay, I am here increasing the stroke point, that is stroke width point. I am giving here 16 and I am pressing OK. Now the stroke created with the center selection. Again I'm going to create the stroke outside of the border and I'm pressing OK. Here you look carefully, that is the border created outside of the floating selection. Okay, now how to save the file of Photoshop program. For this, go to the file menu and click on save as. A dialog box of save as will be appeared. In the box of file name of the save as dialog box, type the name of the file. For example, I'm giving the name of the file is my work and choose the destination of the file where you want to save it. Okay, here saving destination is desktop and I am clicking on the save button and it will be saved on desktop, and that file can be opened for further work later. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class I will discuss about layer option. Till then, goodbye.